Hello and welcome to today's video where we're looking at making money online gaming. And this may sound ridiculous, but I'm going to share with you 4 different websites and all of them have the potential to earn you hundreds and even thousands of dollars every single month. And I'm also going to share with you, let me share this article with you now so you can see the potential with this, okay? And look, all I ask is if you found this video useful, give it a like, I'd really appreciate that. And if you have any comments, leave them down below. So I found this article over here when I was doing a bit of research for some articles for my own website. And I came across this one over here, and it's about a 34-year-old's online business that brings in 66 grand a month. And he never thought he would have been able to make money doing what he loves. I'll give you the short version of this. So basically, he spent his childhood playing video games. He won his first cash ton when he was 17. And then what happened is, over time, we can see, let's just scroll down here, how did he make money from gaming? So this is how he makes money now. So currently, he earns 21 grand a month coaching students in League of Legends. But then scroll further down, he also teaches 20 students a week and charges anywhere between $250 and $350 a session. Scroll further on the page here, and then we can see he earns money from YouTube and his subscription-only Facebook group. And here's the thing, okay, you can see here, look, during my first few years, I streamed for 70 hours a week on Twitch, but it was only making $1,500 a month from donations. And then what happened is, over time, he started to, do a little bit of research about this, and he found different ways of making money online. But his biggest income is coming from this here, 21 grand a month teaching people how to play League of Legends, okay? Now, you might think, I don't know anything about League of Legends. You don't have to, don't worry. I'm not going to tell you to teach something you don't know about. Let me share with you a few different websites that you can use to make money online and from home, because believe me, there are hundreds of different methods of earning online. It just takes a bit of time, effort, and consistency. So we'll come over to this one over here. So this is the first website, okay? And this one is called Metaphygg. Now over on here you can see it brings you the best content, professional guides, and basically connects you with like-minded individuals around the world. And you can also come over here and actually pay people to teach you about games. And you can see on here, these are some of the games that they teach on the platform. There are many, many more. All we do is we scroll down, you can see them all. And then you can go into them. So let's just go into one of these. So let's go into one that I vaguely know, Street Fighter. I mean, I didn't even know Street Fighter would have still been a thing. But we can come in here and look. These are the experts on here. So this person here will charge from $30. This one here, $15. This one, $15. $15. Come down here, look, experts, $4. So looking at the numbers down here, these are people who are just getting started maybe on the platform and they're offering their prices a bit lower. And then what happens is, over time, once you get feedback and you start to get some customers, you increase your prices. This is just normal practice. I mean, look at this one here, training plan, $50. This one here, $500. I mean, to be honest with you, I didn't realise you could earn this much money by sharing your knowledge with gaming, but you absolutely can do. So on here, on this Metaphygg, you can go on it and have a look around, find something you're interested in or and just see what other people are offering. And literally just go out of your comfort zone, start sharing content with other people. And looking at some of the things we just saw a minute ago, like a game plan and other things, it looks like you can write out plans and all sorts of stuff. So let me come back over here. So let's just click on learn more. What is this? So they have got this over, so basically you can sign up. But what we want to look for is become an expert over here. And then look, make money teaching the games you love. With Metaphygg, you can make meaningful income teaching your favorite games. And it shows you, basically it walks you through. So what do you need? And you can set your own hours, you can teach your own way, earn money, etc. But this is the process. Complete your application, get vouched, and then accepted as an expert. And then once you're in here, you can literally start earning money. They also have coaching on here. And there's a few different ways you can earn over on this platform. So go over to Metaphygg and just have a look at it. Because, if you do enjoy gaming and you're particularly good at a certain game, why not teach others and make some money from doing so? So that's one website. It's called Metaphygg. There's another one over here, very similar. It's called Epal. Now over on this very similar concept, okay, and you can apply for free, high income, flexible, and you can make friends on here. And then again, it's a simple process. So who can be an Epal? Now on this website here, it says you've got to be 18 years or above, and then able to provide a service in at least one category on Epal. And then you can also go ahead and chat with them and other bits. The other thing what I saw on here as well is a few seconds ago, they've actually got some competition on here. So you can actually earn money by just sharing this website. Now I'm not doing that. I'm not an affiliate for them in any way, but I just saw it when I was doing this, looking at this video at the beginning, when I was doing a bit of research. Let me scroll across here. Was this one? No. Invite for cash. So look at this. You can come on here, look. And it says, I think it said $50. Yeah, look. $5 for each successful invaded new client. Basically means you can earn up to $50. And you can see here. So that's another way that you can earn money with this website up here. But essentially it is the same as Metaphygg. You come on here and you offer your training, your resources to other people. And you can click on this here, 125 services, and you can come, I mean, Among Us, I can't believe people are right. Let's click on that. I know that game. And look, you can see on here how much people are going to charge you. Look, I can either be your friend or your enemy. Blimey. And people will teach you, their methods or strategies for making money with what's that game? Among Us, sorry. So that is another website. It's called Epal. Now the next two websites are a little bit different, okay? But I wanted to give you something optional. So this one is called Buildbox. Now over on this website here, and again, you can come over here. Look, it's absolutely, you can sign up for free. So this is AI for dreamers, make games, make money using AI. And basically over on this website over here, you can see, look, with a single click, the new Buildbox AI tool allows anyone to easily create unique, high quality characters, environments, and objects for their video games. So you can come over here and actually create your own video game. And here's the cool thing, if you go to the Learning Center and click on here, it opens up into a new tab for you. They have got lots of frequently asked questions about, the website, how it works and other bits. But if you scroll down here, they have got, look, how to make your own game series, creating the basics, shapes, building your levels. And then not only have they got all of that, they will then show you how to publish that game onto Google Play or over onto the App Store. And then there's lots of stuff in here. It is a bit in depth, but overall, you can use this to come across and build your own game. There's another website again, similar to Buildbox, and it's this one over here. So this one is called GDevelop.io, and you can see it's a fast and easy game making app. Make games with GDevelop, a no-code, open source, free and easy game making app. So again, you can see over here, it's free and it's easy. Looking at this, it's drag and drop, and it's an easy, intuitive way to make games. Similar to the last website we just looked at, then they will show you how to publish your games to Android, iOS, Steam, and more. So look, we've looked at 4 different ways in this video that you can use your knowledge and skills to make money online and from home. Now this one we've been looking at today, a lot of this, it will be, one-on-one coaching with people, so you'd be trading your time for money. But there are other ways that you could do this with gaming or anything else. And all I'd say is, do some research online, go down these different routes and learn about, different ways people are making money online. But the article we looked at the beginning, where that guy's earning 66 grand a month from gaming, would you believe it's possible? Most people don't. So there you go, that is 4 different ways you can make money online from gaming. And as I've mentioned, there are hundreds more. If you go, I'll drop a link to my website below, you can go ahead. We have got lots of articles on here for tried and tested methods. We've got case studies on here, side hustles, interviews, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, YouTube. There's so many different ways that you can do this. And if you want to check out the community, we also have this over here where we have lots of information in here for, building different income streams online. And we primarily focus on this here, passive, semi-passive, and also potentially active incomes. So look, that is today's video. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.